Welcome. If you're looking to get rid of those constant event subscription notifications on your Facebook page, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable event subscription notifications on your Facebook page using your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page where you want to turn off event notifications. Once you're on Facebook, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will bring up a menu with your profile and any pages you manage. Next, select the page you want to manage. Click on the page's profile photo to enter the page view. Now, you're managing your page, not your personal profile. From here, look for the menu on the left-hand side, or at the top, depending on the layout. Find and click on Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. This will open up a new section with all the settings for your page. Now, look for the Notifications option in the menu. Click on it, and you'll see a list of different types of notifications you can control for your page. Scroll down until you find Events. Click on Events to expand the options related to event notifications. Here's where you can finally disable those event subscription notifications. Look for the toggle or checkbox next to event subscriptions and switch it off. This will stop Facebook from sending you notifications every time there's an update or activity related to event subscriptions on your page. And that's it. You've successfully disabled event subscription notifications for your Facebook page. No more unnecessary alerts cluttering your notifications feed. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who might need a little peace and quiet on their Facebook pages. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.